how to request tax documents from Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need your Citibank tax documents for filing, well here is how to access and request them online using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here from the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you can simply log in with your credential and once logged in, you can just click statements or go to the documents in the main menu and then select tax documents. And there you will see a list of available tax forms like 1099 INT or 1099 MISC or 1098. So there you can simply click on the document you will need to view and then click download to save a copy. But here, if you prefer a physical copy, you can look for an option like request paper statement or call Citibank support for mailing options. And that's it. That's how you can access or request your Citibank tax documents online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.